Let's use the reduce function to turn our array of ints into a single string with all numbers. So we have a numbers array with numbers 1 through 10. And now we want to create a string of all of the numbers. So we say string equals numbers.reduce. We start out with an initial value, which is an empty string. And now we need to add the closure to merge the integers into a string. Add the initial result plus the next item. So what we need to do, using the shorthand format, we already have the curly brackets open, so we just start with $0. That is the initial value or initial result, which is the empty string. So that's a string. And now we need to add the next item, and the next item is an integer, but the initial result and the next item have to be of the same type. And since we want to end up with a string, we have to call the string, we have to say that it's basically our next item, which is $1, needs to be cast to a string. $1, these are the integers from our numbers array. When we say string $1, we convert the integer to a string, and now they can be kind of grouped together and reduced into one string. So when we now print this, you can see that we end up with one string from numbers 1 through 10. We reduce the numbers array by starting with an empty string. We then take the initial result $0 and add each number by casting the int to a string with string $1.